This is why capable people get ignored at work. Let's keep going. Number three, stop over explaining and stop name dropping. Insecurity is loud, confidence is quiet. People who are secure don't prove how smart or connected they are. They say less and it lands harder. Number four, be concise. Long explanations don't make you sound smarter. They make you sound unsure. Top performers speak like a text message, clear, direct, and easy to digest. And number five, connect before you convince. In conflict, don't lead with, I'm right. Lead with, this is just my perspective, and you're free to disagree. That's not weakness, that's emotional intelligence. And here's the truth. Talent gets you in the room, but communication decides what happens next. Once you see this, you'll start hearing it everywhere and you'll never speak the same way again.